Thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Regina and this is Naturally Corporate. So really quickly, I wanted to share with you some products that I got a sample box of, and I'm so glad I chose these. So I had a birthday recently, and you know how Sephora and some other stores will let you pick a birthday freebie. So I picked this. It is the little sample box of Moroccanoil products, or products from Moroccan. I guess I'll say Moroccan. Yeah, Moroccanoil. And I could have chose from a couple of other things, but I got this and I'm glad I did. So let me tell you first, let me show you what came in the box. So get the, let's see, I think this is, you get the shampoo, the conditioner, a cute little bottle of Moroccanoil, and then I got some hand cream, which I would imagine has the Moroccanoil in it. So first of all, look at the size of these little containers. They're not that big. I think they are, 1.35 fluid ounces. Can you believe I got 2 wash days out of both of these bottles, the shampoo and conditioner? I was amazed. Okay, so before I talk about my first wash day, let me just talk about Moroccanoil. So I'm familiar with Moroccanoil, but I'm more familiar with other oils. For example, argan oil. Which I love. I do have fine hair, so argan oil is really light and it doesn't weigh my hair down. But anyway, so I was looking into Moroccanoil. I'm like, well, you know, what is it? Will it do? Is it for someone like me, or is it for someone with thicker hair? I couldn't find too much, and I'll tell you specifically. I did find some information on Moroccanoil, but this Moroccanoil treatment, I couldn't find a lot of information on. So I waited a little while and then I went back to it because I wanted to have something to tell you in case you're watching and you are interested in trying the Moroccanoil. So what I found is that Moroccanoil it can be the same as argan oil. I know that sounds odd, but here's why. Moroccanoil is argan oil, but with other ingredients added, such as silicone. And that's just one that I remember off the top of my head. So pure argan oil is just pure argan oil, but Moroccanoil takes over that name when it's argan oil and then some other added ingredients. I hope that makes sense. And I won't go into it too much because I'm not an expert at any of this, but I did want to find out a little bit more about what I was putting on my hair. So that's Moroccanoil. So I'm in the shower shampooing my hair, and this is wash day number 1. So here is, which one's the shampoo? Yeah, so here's the shampoo, the hydrating shampoo treatment, and I'm just using it liberally because it's such a small amount. I didn't expect to have any shampoo left, so I just used as much as I wanted, and I shampooed twice. The shampoo felt really good. These products smell nice. Everything that I've smelled from the Moroccanoil line smells really, really good. They all smell, some smell the same and some just smell similar to the other ones, but I'm just shampooing away. My hair felt really, really good. I felt that it was clean, yet it felt moisturized, and I was just pleased with it. Nothing more to say about the shampoo. All good stuff, but you know, shampoo is a shampoo, and I liked it when I very first put it on. After I shampooed twice, then I went in with the hydrating conditioner. And I think as naturals, we all tend to use more conditioner than shampoo. And at least that's the case for me. So I went in with the conditioner, and again, my hair just felt like butter. It was so soft. As I was massaging the conditioner in, the smell is fantastic. I'm just gonna smell it right now real quick. It smells fresh. It smells fresh, smells a little different than the shampoo, but again, they both smell great. I was able to detangle a little bit with the conditioner, and You know, I rinsed it out. My hair felt so good. My scalp just felt good, and I was like, oh, this is good. So I will say I did use. I'm not aware if there's a deep conditioner in this line at all, but I wanted to use a deep conditioner because I was going to be straightening my hair. So I used a deep conditioner from another brand, and then once I rinsed the deep conditioner out, that's where I used the Moroccanoil. Now, this one is not even open yet, but I had this already in a bigger size bottle, so I used that one. Didn't open this one yet. But after I shampooed, I wasn't quite sure what to do with this treatment. So I looked it up. You can use it as the Moroccanoil Treatment, and that's the word that got me, treatment. It's not just Moroccanoil, but it's a treatment. So what can this oil do for me? You can use it as a pre-poo. You can use it as a deep conditioner. You can even add it into your shampoo or your conditioner or your deep conditioner if you wanted to mix it in with some other items. It's also a heat protectant. So it really does do a lot of things, but I didn't know what those things were, and I wanted to make sure I was using it correctly. So after I washed out my deep conditioner from the other brand, I put just a little bit of this oil on. And when I say a little bit, I put about a pea-sized amount in each quarter of my head. Section my hair off and put some on. And just because I wasn't sure if I had used enough, yet I didn't want to use too much, I did use a separate heat protectant, a spray-on heat protectant, and then I blow dried my hair. Y'all, my hair was really soft and so shiny. I didn't expect it to be as shiny as it was because I didn't use a lot of product, a pea-sized amount, like a total of 4 pea-sized amounts, and then a separate leave-in conditioner. But I didn't use a lot of that because I didn't want to put too much in my hair and it be flat and not move. But I was really surprised. I blow dried my hair, and then I flat ironed it. After I flat ironed my hair, I put a little bit more of the Moroccanoil treatment on to smooth down my roots and just to make sure my ends were good, and they looked nice and calm and not frizzy. And I enjoyed the wash day so much. So to make sure that I like them, because sometimes the first impressions are just that. For me, I could go on to love the products, or I could use it the next time and I don't know, something switches up and I don't get the same results as I did the first time. So I used the products again. On wash day number 2, I said, well, I've got some more shampoo left. Well, that was my decision on doing a second wash day because I had product left. So I shampooed my hair. I had enough shampoo for the second wash day, and I was able to get another 2 shampoos in on that wash day. I was surprised. Still felt happy. Same thoughts and emotions as wash day number 1. Now, I washed out the shampoo and then I came to the conditioner. I didn't have as much conditioner as I did shampoo left over. So I used all the shampoo, all the conditioner that I could. And trust me, I took the lid off. I did this number. And then I got my pinky finger and went up in there to try to get all the conditioner that I could. And I wasn't quite sure. It's like I put conditioner all over the surface of my hair, but I wasn't able to get all in between and get my roots and get all the little subsections. So I added some conditioner that's not a part of this line just to make sure I was covered. And I let the conditioner sit, while I showered and everything, and then rinsed it out. Y'all, just perfection. My hair was soft, and I know I used 2 conditioners, but I know it had a lot to do with this one because it worked equally as well as it did last time, and I just wish I'd had enough to do my whole head and all up in there. But it was really nice. I love it when I try products for the first time and they don't disappoint. They do everything that they claim. And on here, you know, the writing is so teeny weeny on a lot of products, but especially the miniature size ones. But these do say hydration, and I feel like my hair was very much hydrated. So for the second wash, I shampooed, I conditioned, and I took a chance. I didn't add any more conditioner. You know, I just said, let me just rinse this out and go for it. And it was no problem. Now I'm sure my hair could have maybe used a little bit more conditioner at the roots in some areas and along my hair shaft. I made sure I got along my hair shaft though. If nothing else, I got all the way from my roots to my ends and just put it in my hands and, you know, try to emulsify it as much as I could and spread it around before I put it on my hair. Again, I put a little on my hair, pea-sized amounts in all 4 sections, and then a little bit more heat protectant, and then I blow dried. After I flat ironed my hair again, so the same process basically, I don't have to repeat everything, but I put a little bit more heat protectant, put a little bit more of the Moroccanoil on my hair because it's a heat protectant. So this is like at least a 5-in-1. A 4-in-1 or a 5-in-1. It does have a lot of uses, and the full-size bottle, well, there are 2 larger sizes, the smaller bottle and then the full-size bottle. They're not inexpensive, but I think for what all you can use this oil for, it's definitely worth it. I think I paid maybe close to $30 for the regular small size bottle, and I'm almost out of it, and then I can crack this little baby open. But yeah, so I just wanted to tell you about the Moroccanoil Treatment, the shampoo and conditioner, if you're not familiar with them, because they're new to me, but not new on the market. And I said, well, if I haven't used them before, I'm kind of familiar with the name, but I haven't used the products, and maybe some of my viewers are interested as well. So when I open this one, I think I may try a pre-poo. And I will do a pre-poo versus putting it in at a later time doing my shampoo, because I know I can wash this out. And while I'm wearing my hair straight, I don't want it to be weighed down. Too much oil will weigh it down. But the right amount of this is the right amount, and I should be just fine. Let me know if you've used anything from the Moroccanoil line, and let me know how you like it. I definitely plan to invest in the shampoo and the conditioner, and of course, again, the Moroccanoil treatment as well, because it does so many things. I'm wearing my hair straight. I'll be getting braids in the next week though. A week from today, I'm getting braids. So I know summer's over and I'm just getting braids, but it's just been hot and I can't take it anymore. But after my braids are out in a few months from now, I just might go become a straight natural during the winter time. And I enjoy my hair being straight, and curls are beautiful. I love both. I love my curly hair. I love my straight hair. I fall in love with each when I'm wearing that style. But I think for the winter time, I'm going to go straight for a few months. And I'm not the person who can do wash and goes because I have different patterns in my hair. So I don't do wash and goes. So, I'm not concerned about heat damage. I do want my hair to be healthy. But as far as getting heat damage and having, straight hair here and straight pieces over there, I do twist outs. Camouflage those bad boys right on up. But if you have a birthday coming up, I don't know how often Sephora rotates out their little beauty insider and birthday perks, but if you have a birthday coming up and you have the option to get this one from Moroccanoil, you can't go wrong. Give it a try. Let me know if you like this video. It was just a talk through, and I wanted to tell you about these products. So let me know how you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who else you know that might be interested. Until next time, friends, keep it naturally corporate.